What up, Kings? Hope you're well. In this video, I want to talk about how AI is going to automate, and it's already automating, about 80 to 90% of all advertising agency job roles. So I'm going to be reacting to a video by Cyber News. Let me share my screen real quick. Please go subscribe to this channel, follow him. He's got great content about what's happening in the AI space. But let's get into it.
This is Sintra AI, a tool that promises to unite 12 types of AI employees, over 10 in-app integrations, and 90 plus AI tools under a single subscription.
So already he's described about 90% of what people do when they work for an advertising agency.
Because Sintra has already collected 12 AI assistants for you. Sintra AI isn't your average generative AI tool like ChatGPT. It's more like an AI employee, or rather an entire department of employees, ranging from SEO specialists to copywriters, but more.
Isn't that crazy? Each one of those 12 represents an entire job that will be eliminated. If somebody that is running an agency that's logical will just say, what do I need to hire a copywriter for? What do I need to hire somebody to do my social media for? When there's an AI agent and I just had to pay $97 a month for this compared to like 80 grand a year?
Sintra AI gives you a full suite of AI helpers designed to grow your business or support your personal projects. And unlike typical prompt-based tools, these AI employees are built to be proactive. They take initiative, connect with your other apps, and follow workflows. But before we go any further on our Sintra AI review, a little background. While this all sounds futuristic, like other consumer-oriented AI, including Google's Gemini or good old ChatGPT, Sintra AI is also based on a large language model.
This means that you can teach these AI agents on your workflow. Whatever you decide should be a workflow, you can teach them how to do that. And they don't complain. They work 24 hours. They didn't need 401k. We're cooked, guys. We're cooked.
That said, Sintra AI is innovative. It comes with extra functionality, creatively disguised as a pack of employees to make its tech seem more accessible and easier to understand. Here's an example of how Sintra AI works, comparing it to ChatGPT. Imagine you're launching a new product. ChatGPT can help you write a social media post or marketing email. That is, if you provide a well-thought-out prompt and feed it with relevant, high-quality content. Sintra AI, on the other hand, has digital AI employees that can write the content, schedule the post across platforms, send targeted emails, and track performance, all automatically. They're trained to understand and adapt to your business's unique needs. The conclusion is clear. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm and create, while Sintra AI can help you create, implement, and execute. If this sounds awesome, imagine using...
It sounds too awesome, sir. This is insane. Is this for real or is this fiction?
With that overview of Sintra AI behind us, let's go deeper into which of Sintra's 12 AI employees that I consider to be the most interesting. Since there are 12 of them, I won't go into detail on every single one, but I will spotlight 2 of them. One of my favorites was Soshi, a social media manager who can automate many social media tasks, including post scheduling, answering comments, image generation, and even creating content calendar.
Just go on Glassdoor and find out how much a social media content person is paid. And you can get that now for $97 a month. It's crazy what's happening. And you don't have to go through the headaches of hiring people anymore.
What I noticed was that Sintra AI integrates with a limited list of social media apps. So if you're interested in AI automation, particularly with Sintra's AI Soshi, you'll probably notice that some important integrations are missing. For example, there are integrations for Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, but there isn't one for X. That said, Sintra is looking to expand the list. Even so, if you're interested in social media automation, Soshi still offers a plethora of integrations. Okay, it wasn't Soshi who stole the show from me, it was Pen, which was conveniently named after the tool it uses the best, a pen. Badoots. This AI copywriter is trained on copy from thousands of high-converting advertisements. From writing newsletters and ad scripts to landing page pieces, Pen can do it all. So if you're tired of writing newsletters yourself, Pen is a great AI email assistant for you. Penn can also speak more than 100 languages. Truth be told, English bore the best results for me, but hey, maybe you'll have better luck than I did using Spanish. In any case, if Penn were a Pokemon, it'd definitely be a legendary one. Now, of course, there are 10 other AI assistants left. There's Cassie, a customer support specialist, to ensure that each and every client leaves satisfied.
It's not Diddy's girl.
Buddy, a business developer to help you prop up your business. Dexter, a data analyst to help you make more educated decisions. And Gigi, a personal coach to help you improve. Overall, Sintra AI offers a ton of functionality while staying accessible. So that's the AI agents explained, but...
So I won't play the whole video. I will link the video in the description so you can watch the whole thing and understand Sintra. How I learned about Sintra was I was being targeted these ads on social media and YouTube now. It looks like this technology is pretty new. He did this video about 2 months ago, and I know this guy's ahead of the game. So maybe let's say the technology has been around less than 6 months. So this means that there are agencies that are established right now that have to compete with this. It's going to be a headache for a lot of existing agencies to be competing with this because your competition will find out about this. And if your competition doesn't already know this, they will find out and they're going to implement it at lightning speed. If you're ready to work with the best, and I can help you to design a great workflow where you're using these AI agents to put all these AI automations into your agency, or if you're on the client side, if you're on the brand side, you want to implement all these AI automations and AI agents into your workflow while also activating programmatic campaigns, brand awareness campaigns, then we need to talk. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Schedule some time. Talk to you soon.